Hello, good morning, students. Today we are doing the next topic that is the Faizan's rule. Students, Faizan was a scientist. Actually, Fazan he told about the covalent character in ionic bond. So we will study about the ionic character in covalent bond as well as covalent character in the ionic bond. So what about the covalent character in ionic bond? Let's see. Suppose this is a cation, okay? So cation is having positive charge over it, and the size of cation is comparative smaller than the size of anion, and this one is the size of anion. The anion mainly consists of the electrons. It is negatively charged. So actually what happened when a cation as well as an anion both are in contact with each other or are closer to each other, then the electrons of the cation, they are attracted by the cation. Okay, very means a strong attraction is applied on the electrons by the cation, due to which what happens that the structure of anion, this one negatively charged anion, it get distorted and the structure will be like this. Means anion get distorted means its electron get distorted or electron get moved towards the cation, and it seems that both are going to be overlap. तो अगर पास से देखा जाता है, क्योंकि कैटाइन और एनाइन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्या होते हैं, क्लोज होते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग द स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. सो जैसे ही क्या है कि जब ये इसकी तरफ झुक जाएगा देन इट अपीयर्स, दिखाई देगा, वैसे मैंने दूर दूर बनाया है लेकिन दिखाई देता है कि जैसे कि कैटाइन और एनाइन आपस में ओवरलैप कर रहे हो, एंड दिस ओवरलैपिंग जनरली शोज द कोवेलेंट नेचर इन द आयनिक बॉन्ड. तो इसी ओवरलैपिंग से क्या है, एक कोवेलेंट नेचर है वो शो होता है, यानी आयनिक बॉन्ड है, इट शोज द कोवेलेंट नेचर. Cation has the ability to attract the electrons of the anion. This power of cation is called polarizing power. This is called the polarizing power of cation. And the anion, the electrons of anion, these get distorted towards the cation or attracted towards the cation. This power or this tendency of anion, electrons of anion, it is called polarized condition. This condition is called polarized. So anion will be polarized and cation is going to polarize, is polarizing the anion. Now students, due to the distorted shape of anion, there is a distortion occurs. This is called the polarization. इसको झुकना, ये क्या कहलाएगा, यानी इसका अट्रैक्ट करना क्या कहलाएगा, पोलराइजिंग पावर. इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, इसको पोलराइज्ड कहेंगे, मीन्स इट इज़ गेटिंग पोलराइज्ड. और ये जो फिनोमिना है इसको हम कहते हैं पोलराइजेशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड द पोलराइजेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अब देखो, लगेगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन है, दे अपीयर टू बी शेयर्ड बिटवीन कैटायन एंड एनायन, सो आयनिक कंपाउंड shows the covalent nature. Now some things which are related to this polarization that we have to discuss. Number one, there are certain factors which affect. So now we will discuss about the factors which affect the पोलराइजिंग पावर ऑफ कैटाइन. मीन्स कैसा कैटाइन होना चाहिए जिससे कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पोलराइज कर सके. तो फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग पोलराइजिंग पावर ऑफ कैटाइन, कौन कौन से फैक्टर होंगे. लाइक नंबर वन फैक्टर इज साइज. सीधी सी बात है, जिस कैटाइन की साइज जितनी कम होगी, like let's take the example of aluminium +3, magnesium +2, सोडियम प्लस. तो जिस कैटाइन की साइज़ जितनी ज़्यादा होगी या जितनी कम होगी, वो उतना ही ज़्यादा क्या करेगा, दूसरे के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा. तो क्योंकि भाई छोटा है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो इफ़ेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज है वो क्या है, कंपैरेटिव ज़्यादा होगा। तो इस वजह से जिस कैटाइन की साइज़ है कंपैरेटिव क्या होगी, छोटी होगी। वो कैटाइन है उसकी पोलराइजेशन पावर है वो क्या होगी, उसकी पोलराइजेशन पावर है उतनी ही ज़्यादा होगी। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखो, सॉरी, तो साइज़ मैं लिख देती हूँ यहाँ पे, साइज़ इज़ एक्चुअली इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल, साइज़ ऑफ कैटाइन इट इज़ इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द पोलराइजेशन पावर। तो जितनी ज़्यादा साइज़ होगी उतना कम पोलराइजेशन होगा, जितनी कम साइज़ होगी उतना ज़्यादा पोलराइज करेगा। यहाँ पे देखो इसकी साइज़ कंपैरेटिव कम है, तो दैट मीन्स एल्यूमिनियम +3 हैज़ मोर पोलराइजेशन पावर एज़ कम्पेयर टू द others. Let's take one more example like Na plus, like K plus, like rubidium plus. तो कंटिन्यू साइज़ बढ़ती जा रही है, साइज़ बढ़ना मतलब पोलराइजेशन पावर का कम होना, तो सोडियम की जो पोलराइजेशन पावर है दैट विल बी मोर। अब अगर पोलराइजेशन पावर ज़्यादा होगी दैट मीन्स द कोवेलेंट नेचर विल बी मोर, यानी उतना ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब मूव करेंगे कैटाइन की तरफ, उतना ज़्यादा ओवरलैपिंग अपीयर होगा और उतना ही ज़्यादा क्या है कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर। तो पोलराइजेशन पावर इट इज़ एक्चुअली डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर, दैट मीन्स साइज इज़ इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर। तो ये हमारे पास में क्या है, कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर और पोलराइजेशन पावर है दोनों का, या मतलब फैक्टर्स करेगा कौन, साइज़ इस पे डिपेंड करेगा। सेकंड फैक्टर इज़ द चार्ज ऑफ कैटाइन। तो कैटाइन का जो चार्ज होता है वो भी क्या है, या चार्ज कैटाइन पे जो चार्ज होता है इट ऑल्सो इफेक्ट्स द कोवेलेंट नेचर। हाउ, like Na plus is there, like Mg plus 2 is there, like aluminium plus 3 is there. So you can see here, if positive charge is more, then that means the size will be comparative lesser. जैसा कि आपने पढ़ा है, जितना ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज उतनी कम साइज, बिकॉज द मोर अमाउंट ऑफ Z effective will be there. That's why the aluminium plus 3 is having maximum polarization power, and that's why it is having maximum covalent character. So that means the charge of cation, it is directly proportional to the polarizing power and also directly proportional to the covalent character. So these are the two factors. Now next let's discuss about the next factor, and the next factor is the pseudo noble gas configuration. This thing you have to remember, students. The pseudo noble gas configuration is NS2, NP6 and ND10. If any cation or any atom is having this configuration, then that cation will have maximum polarization power, it will have maximum covalent character. Like you can see, students, like copper plus, it is having the same configuration, that is we can write argon, then 3s2 3p6, this is neon, 3s2 3p6 3d10. Okay, 4s1 because it has donated one electron. So this any atom having this configuration, that will be more stable, like below copper plus Ag plus is there, Au plus is there. So all are having the similar type of configuration, that's why they are following the pseudo noble gas configuration, and they are having maximum polarization power, and they are having the maximum covalent character. Okay, now these are similarly you can also, I think it will also be in your mind that Zn plus 2 is also having the same thing. So Zn plus 2 will again show the same type of configuration, that is pseudo noble gas configuration. So any cation having such type of configuration are comparative more having more covalent nature. Now students, the next thing is that factors affecting the polarization of anion. The factors affecting the anion polarization also means the polarization of anion also depend on the following factors, like the number one is size of anion. So if the size of anion will be bigger than that, means in anion, अगर देखो एक एनायन इतना छोटा है, एक एनायन इतना बड़ा है, तो अगर साइज़ है एनायन की ज़्यादा बड़ी होगी, दैट मीन्स एनायन में जो न्यूक्लियस है उसका अट्रैक्शन आउटर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पे कम होगा, देन दैट मीन्स दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन बी ईजिली पोलराइज्ड. सो दैट्स वाई द साइज ऑफ एनायन, it is directly proportional to the polarization power and directly proportional to the covalent character. So if size of anion will increase, then polarization power will increase, and certainly at the same time the covalent character will be more. Now the second one will be charge on anion. So charge on anion, like let's take the example of O minus 2 and F minus N minus 3. So if the charge on anion increases, that means its size will increase. So definitely the Z effective will decrease. In this case, the covalent nature will be more or polarizing power will be more. So on increasing the charge, the polarization power will also increase, and that's why covalent character will also increase. So charge is directly proportional to polarizing power and covalent character for the anion. So students, actually the Fazan rule, it explains the covalent character between cation and anion. Cation is having the polarizing power and anion get polarized. It shows the polarization. What is the importance of the covalent character? Why we are considering the covalent character by polarizing power? So there are certain reasons. Generally, the covalent nature or character, it is related to the solubility and other factors, other physical properties of the molecule. Like if covalent nature is there, if covalent nature increases, in that case the solubility in water, the solubility of molecule in water decreases, and if solubility in water decreases, in that case we consider like the boiling point and melting point properties will also decrease. So these are certain factors which can be explained by the covalent or ionic nature of the molecule. If molecule is having more covalent nature, then that means its solubility will be comparatively lesser. Okay, and if its boiling point will also be lesser, as you know that the covalent nature depends means ionic nature, as you have studied that ionic compounds, they are more soluble in water. So if they are having covalent nature, then their solubility in water is comparatively lesser. This doesn't mean that they will not get soluble in water.